In the picturesque village of Meadowbrook, nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, lived a young girl named Lily. She had an insatiable curiosity and an unquenchable thirst for adventure. But what set her apart was her unique ability to bring her drawings to life. Lily's sketches danced with a magic of their own. When she drew a playful kitten, it would leap off the paper and frolic at her feet. Delicate flowers would bloom, their petals unfurling to release enchanting aromas. The villagers marveled at her creations, each one a testament to her extraordinary gift. One day, as Lily wandered through a dense forest on the outskirts of Meadowbrook, she stumbled upon an old, weathered book in a clearing. Its pages were filled with intricate illustrations and cryptic verses. With a sense of both trepidation and excitement, Lily began to read. The book spoke of a hidden realm known as the Garden of Whispers, a place where dreams took root and imagination flourished. Legend had it that an ancient portal to the garden could be unlocked by a special key, a key hidden within the very pages of the book. Driven by a sense of wonder, Lily embarked on a quest to uncover the secrets of the Garden of Whispers. With her sketchbook and pencil in hand, she began to recreate the key from the book's illustrations. As she drew, the key materialized before her eyes, glimmering with an otherworldly light. With the key in her possession, Lily followed the book's guidance, navigating through dense forests, crossing rushing rivers, and overcoming obstacles that tested her resolve. Along the way, she encountered mystical creatures who sensed her connection to the realm of imagination and offered their guidance. After a journey filled with challenges and discovery, Lily arrived at a hidden glade. Before her stood an ancient archway entwined with ivy and blossoms. The key in her hand glowed in response, and with a steady breath, Lily inserted it into the archway's lock. A shimmering portal emerged, revealing the entrance to the Garden of Whispers. Stepping through, Lily found herself in a realm of breathtaking beauty. Flowers of every hue swayed in harmony with the breeze, and trees whispered secrets in a language only she could understand. As Lily explored the garden, her sketches began to come to life like never before. Birds soared from her pages, leaving trails of vibrant colors in their wake. Watercolor fish danced in crystalline ponds, and her pencil strokes gave birth to intricate sculptures of light and shadow. In the heart of the garden, Lily encountered the Guardian of Whispers, a majestic figure with eyes that held the wisdom of ages. The Guardian praised Lily for her courage and creativity, recognizing her as a true custodian of imagination. With a flourish of the Guardian's hand, the garden transformed, its beauty magnified by Lily's presence. The colors were more vibrant, the scents more intoxicating, and the magic more potent than ever before. But as Lily reveled in the wonders of the Garden of Whispers, a sense of longing tugged at her heart. She realized that her own village, with its meadows and brooks, was a garden of its own, a place where dreams and adventures could flourish. With a bittersweet smile, Lily bid farewell to the realm of imagination and returned to Meadowbrook. Armed with a renewed sense of purpose, she used her extraordinary gift to infuse her village with the magic she had encountered. Meadowbrook blossomed into a haven of creativity and wonder, a living testament to Lily's journey. And so, the story of Lily, the girl who brought her drawings to life and discovered the Garden of Whispers, spread throughout the land. Her village became a beacon for all who sought to nurture their dreams and explore the boundless realms of imagination. And in the quiet corners of the forest, whispers of her adventure echoed, inspiring generations to come.